Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TD Ameritrade account access easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for TD Ameritrade's official website. Press enter to navigate to the site. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Click continue to proceed. Now, enter your password in the password field. After entering your password, click the Login button. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for the option related to account access or preferences. Select the option to download account access. Choose the format in which you want to download your account access. Click on the Download button or link. Wait for the file to be prepared and downloaded. Check your Downloads folder for the downloaded file. Once the download is complete, locate the file and open it. Review the contents to ensure you have the necessary information. If you encounter any issues, return to the TD Ameritrade support page for assistance. Follow the prompts provided for troubleshooting. Enjoy easy access to your TD Ameritrade account information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.